eyebrow tutorial, so this is the first step. Yes. Ooh, that's so perfect. She does so great. She's the only one I trust. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eyebrow tutorial. No, I do not know what I'm doing. I am not a pro, but y'all asked, so I'm gonna give y'all what I do to get my eyebrows fleeking and geeking. So, as you can see, I brought you guys with me to go get my brows done. And yeah, so we're just gonna get straight into this. I'll show you guys up close what they look like after I got them done. My eyebrow lady is the shiznai. Okay, she's the only one I trust, the only one I go to. All right, so whatever, we're gonna get to this. All right, so I do not use that dip brow stuff because y'all, honestly, I do not even know how to do my makeup. I know, it's terrible. This is what happens when you decide to be a girly girl late in life, okay? Like, I'm about to be 26 and I just now decided that I'm gonna try to wear makeup. So I don't use that dip brow stuff. This is the cheap, easy way. Let's just call it that, because first thing that I use is this. It is Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I got this from Walmart for like 90 some cents, I think, or was it 90? Maybe, whatever, but this is cheap. Okay, but I have another one. I'm not going to open that one because I still have this one to use. So this is the one that I'll be using. I use this. Ooh, got some hair in there. Never mind that. But I use this to, you know, brush them and get them together or whatever. And then I use this. I don't even know what this is, where I got it from. Probably from Walmart. But it's some concealer. It doesn't match me. But this is what I use to basically highlight, I guess you call it. And then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal to actually take away anything that I may have messed up on with this one. Okay? And I have my beauty blender and my, y'all, I don't even know what this is called, but this is what I use to, like, y'all see. Okay, whatever. We're gonna get straight into this video. All right, so first what I do is I go ahead and take this and brush them and make sure everything is good to go. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm basically going to line it. Sorry, y'all, I got a lot going on. I'm trying to use two different mirrors. But basically what I do is I line my brow. So all the way, that ain't good. Nope, we gonna redo that. Nope. This really needs to be sharpened. Whatever, but I line my brow on top and on bottom, and this really is not working. I really need to sharpen this. This is difficult because I've never tried to do this on camera before. I always just go in the bathroom and handle my business without things being in my hand. Okay. We're gonna try to do this a little bit. All right, I got a sharpener. We're gonna go ahead and try to sharpen this a little bit, because there we go. Do y'all see that point? Ooh, wait. I need y'all to see this point. I need y'all to see how great it is. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna wipe that away. Take a little spit from your tongue and wipe that on off. All right, we're gonna go in and do it right this time. Okay, now that this is sharp, I just line my... It broke. It freaking broke. This is life, y'all. This is life. This is the things that I go through. We're gonna try it again. In a minute, I'm gonna open up the other one. Clearly, I didn't come prepared. Clearly. All right, try again. I think this one's good. All right, so for the 50th time, line your brow. Just go, basically, it's like coloring. You know, when y'all when you used to color in elementary school, and you would use the marker to outline before you go in with the color pencil or crayon to give it that bold effect. Yeah, that's what we doing right now. Okay, just go in like that, and then what I do is I color it in, basically. Okay. I go like this. Go like this right here. I really don't know like what to explain, how to explain this, but I just go in until it looks full. Like, I just keep on keeping on until it looks good. You feel me? And then once I think it looks good, y'all, this is really difficult. Wow, how do y'all do this on camera? Okay. I go in back with my brush and I, brush it again and see if everything's full. So yeah, this is all wrong, y'all. But like I said, this is what my concealer is for. I'll go in and I'll fix anything that isn't right. Okay, so there's one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, woo, I cannot hold this and do this with my left hand. Hold on. I'm about to use this mannequin head that's right here. And y'all may not be able to see this one much, but since y'all already saw me do the other one, y'all know what I'm doing right now. This is really difficult. Oops. All right, as you can see, this isn't really working out for me, but we're gonna get it done regardless of anything that's going on in life. All right, I'm gonna get y'all with some fleeky brows. Well, what I call fleeky brows. I got my eyebrows done because I feel like you get a clean look that way. Like, don't get me wrong, I can do them when they're not done and just pluck them a little bit and get it in order, but I like them so much better when they're freshly done. So we gonna take this and we gonna brush it down and see what's going on around town. Get this in order. You know, when that highline bling, it could only mean one thing. Hey. Okay, so after this, they look all thick and strap nasty and stuff. Wow, they look really thick and strap nasty. Yeah, so now I am going to take my concealer, my wrong color concealer, and I'm going to highlight. Okay, so with that, I just basically put little dots because I don't want too much of this because Obviously, like I said, it don't match, and I don't need to be lit up like a Christmas tree. Okay, so I go up top and I go on the bottom, and I just got that all in my hair. Whatever. Okay, do it to this side. Get it as close to your brow as you can. Don't put it on there though, because it's gonna mess up the color of your brow. Oh my gosh. See, I can't do this. I don't, oh my goodness. I'm just highlighting my hair. Okay, whatever. I don't do this on camera. This is so difficult for me, but whatever. Okay, there's that. Y'all see my hair? Look at my hair now. I need to put this in a ponytail or something. I ain't too much worried about it though. Whatever. It's hair. It can get washed. It is what it is. So next, I am going to take this little brush. I'm going to basically just, I should have turned my volume down on my phone because, bruh. But yeah, so I'm basically just gonna make sure this is blended in a little bit. It doesn't matter that it doesn't match because I'm gonna go in and I'm actually going to fix that. Okay, so this is what my brow is looking like with the wrong concealer on there. You see, it's starting to come together. So just gonna make sure that's not looking too crazy. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it's a lot on there because I'm gonna blend it anyway. So, bruh, I gotta use my right hand because I'm not a lefty and I'm not even gonna try to act like I am for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go all the way down. I hope y'all didn't think this was gonna be some great tutorial that y'all just really, you know. And I'm sorry. I really wish I knew how to do these things, but I'm learning, and this is what works for me, and I like it because it's cheap. I ain't out spending all this money. I go to Walmart to get my stuff, and I'm good to go. Okay, look at that. Look at me looking all crazy, bro. I'm really bothered by my hair. I'm about to put some spit on this too. Shoot. Anyways, whatever. Okay, shout out to this wig though. All right, so after that, I am now going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I am going to, y'all, it's empty, so I'm about to force it. Basically, I put some on the bottom, I put some on the top. Oh, I got enough to do this. Well, look at me now. Hey, I'm getting concealer. Hey. Okay, then I take my lovely beauty blender, and I gotta use two hands for this. Watch it. Okay, so I basically just blend away, you feel me? Like, I'm just gonna go in here and make sure that I'm not looking all kinds of crazy. Like, I want to make sure that it's highlighted, but we don't want people thinking that we don't know our shade and stuff like that, even though I really don't. But that's okay, okay? That's okay. That's my little secret, and ain't nobody gotta know about it. But I'm gonna just blend it on top and on bottom, and usually this works out pretty good for me. Today, not so much. Of course, because I'm on camera, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not great. This is not great at all. Excuse me, guys. I'm just going to put this mirror in front of me now because this isn't working out. It's driving me crazy. Okay, so, and y'all, I usually wear contacts, but like I said last time, I usually got my contacts in, but I don't have any more. I need to go to the eye doctor. So right now, I can't see if this stuff is too far away from me, but we just gonna blend it out. Y'all see that one? Make sure you get your eye or whatever. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next side. By the way, my beauty blender is a little damp, so Bruh. This is not blending well today, I tell you. I tell you. Like I told y'all, y'all don't talk about me because I don't do makeup. I don't. So I make things up and it works out and I go. I just go. I hit the ground running and I go. Sorry y'all can't see me. Y'all have to excuse me for a second while I get this side together. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my finished product. Usually there's more highlight on there and it kind of looks a little better, I'm guessing. But when I'm all done concealing and stuff, I just go in one last time and I brush it and make sure it's where I want it to be. And that, my friends, is a Candace Lene eyebrow tutorial. I can't do that. I tried to be cute and fancy real quick. I don't know how to do that. But y'all, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you for watching, loves. I'll see you later.